everybody, welcome to my video today. I am going to be making a really fun card for you guys. All this month on Thursdays, I am going to be featuring fun fold cards, which are not something that I normally do, but I have seen some really fun fold cards, and so I thought I would dive in and try to do them. And I was inspired to do this particular card. This is a double, I'm not sure what the name of it is. I'll stick it up here in the bottom. I saw Mary from Cards TV do this card. I love Mary's videos. I always watch her videos when they pop up. And the other night, this one popped up, this style card. And I almost didn't click on it because I was like, oh, not my thing. But I clicked on it and I was like, that card is so easy to make. That style card is so easy to make. So she completely inspired me to try to do this card, and I love the way it turned out. I'll link her channel down below, either in my YouTube description or on my website or on Facebook. She has great cards. So let's get started. We're going to use the Peaceful Poppies designer paper, and then we're using the sentiments from Peaceful Moments, and then we're going to be die cutting these two floral images out to do the card. So this style card, what you're going to need to do is you are going to need to take a piece of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I'm going to zoom out so that you can see the whole piece of cardstock. Now what you need to do is have a ruler or something that has a straight enough line, a long enough line that you can go from corner to corner. You can't do this in your trimmer because it won't fit, but you can do it with a long ruler. I have this ruler that I got years and years ago, and you just do from one corner to another. You just want to line it up so you're doing corner to corner, and that is going to give you a piece of cardstock that looks like this, okay? Now you're going to use your trimmer, and this is what I did. I'm not good at like measurements and like knowing like, oh, score it, flip it this way and score it at this, and then flip it that way and score it like this. So what I did is, instead of trying to remember that, whichever way you want your card to open up, now I want the top flap to open up this, like I want my card to be this way. So what I know is that I want my inside card base to be 4 1/4. So I'm just going to come over, put my paper at 4 1/4, and your trimmer may have a score blade on it. I take my score blades off my trimmers because I don't like them. They get in the way. So I just use a bone folder. Okay, so now we can take that out, and we can fold this over, and that's going to create our first fold. Now, for this one, this flap is just going to come down. So you can totally, I'm totally comfortable just folding it. I don't feel like I need to score it. I'm just going to make sure, the thing that you want to make sure is that this part up here does not overlap. Don't fold it so far down that this part overlaps. I did that the first time I scored it and it was too far down, and so then it kind of messed up the way the card sat. So now you have this really cool fun fold card, and it opens up like this, or you could totally have it open like this. Either way, it doesn't really matter. It's just whatever your preference is. I'm going to make sure that those are nice and scored. So the next thing that we're going to do is you need a piece of designer paper, and what I've done is I've cut this at 4 by 5 1/4. So it's slightly less. It's that 1/4 inch less. If you were putting it right on your card, you would have that 1/4 inch border. So now what I can do in my trimmer, and you just want to make sure the direction of the cardstock is proper, meaning I wouldn't want to cut it this way if my folds were not this way. So my folds are this way right now, so that's how I'm going to cut it. So I'm just going to line it up corner to corner, and then I can slice it, okay? And that really is as hard as it gets, which is awesome. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and layer this piece down. I mean, I cannot believe how easy this card is to make. Okay, so now we'll layer it on here. So, okay, so now we have our card. So fun, right? Okay, now for the outside of this, what I wanted to do is use the big flower. And what I did is I cut out this image with designer paper, and then I cut the outline out in black. And I'll layer those together, and then we'll finish up this card. By using the designer paper to cut out this first layer, it really makes this die cut look really pretty, and you don't have to do anything. It just has all of this detail. I used liquid glue to add the top layer, the basic black kind of outline layer. So next what I want to do is take this piece here, which comes in the Perfect Poppy elements, which are so fun to use, and I'm just going to slice off this one flagged end just like this. Now what I want to do is add this on one side. So what I want to do is just make sure that I put adhesive on this part. I don't want to put adhesive on this part or you won't be able to open your card. Just like so. It's so cute, you guys. I love this. The next thing I'm going to do is take my poppy and add this piece over the flagged end. And I want to go ahead and pop this part up. We're going to add our sentiment. So I am adding this sentiment right here. Life is better because you're in it. And I've stamped that in Pool Party. And just like I've been doing recently, using my mini trimmer to go ahead and be able to cut out these really tiny strips. So now I have this piece and I'm just going to flag the end. Like so. And then I am going to add just a couple dimensionals to this. They should fit perfect. And so that is our first fun fold card, and I really love the way it turned out. I think this is super fun. Let me know if you love it below, and then make sure you come back next Thursday because I will have another fun fold card. And also make sure you take a few minutes to sign up for my email down below because I am going to have a fun tutorial that I will send out in my email that will be exclusive, that will be on a fun fold card. So that will be fun. I have 2 exclusive tutorials coming out this month through email that I won't be sharing anywhere else. So make sure you to go ahead and click that link, stay connected with me, and I hope you enjoyed this card. I will be back tomorrow for Memory Keeping Friday. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.